Most traders are one habit away from completely flipping their trading results. Not a new strategy, not a better indicator, one simple habit. And if you apply what I'm about to share with you guys before you make that next trade, 30 days from now, you're going to be thinking back to this exact moment. First, I'm going to be telling you guys exactly what's killing your trades. Then I'm going to be giving you guys the ultimate fix. And I'll leave you guys with this one thing you must do before you ever open up another position that will help you be consistently profitable. Recently, a lot of traders have kept on switching the strategies thinking that's the fix. That's how you have a full-time income from investing. But it's not the strategy. It's what happens a few seconds before you even enter the trade. You guys often will see a setup, you feel the intention, you feel the pull to buy in there, and then you jump in, and that's where the market starts to take all of your money because for whatever reason, you guys thought you had a good setup when it really wasn't, but you felt that instinct to pull based off of a strategy and it didn't work out, so you lost money time and time and time again. Now, in order to fix this, you're going to have to create new habits. And this means before every single trade, you have to ask yourself 3 simple questions. That's the entire system. And when you pair that along with a strategy, that's how you become consistently profitable. Question 1, is this a trend confirmed or am I forcing into this? Zoom out a little bit if you guys are day trading. Make sure that if you guys are trying to go long, the chart is going up. If you are trading into a long chart, you guys are going to be very happy if you're going long. If you guys are shorting into a long chart, that doesn't make any sense. And sometimes we forget those very simple things. Question number 2, where does this trade get invalidated? Where, if this trade does not work out despite everything else looking good, where do I put my stop loss in order to protect myself? Because often in this crazy world we live in, we need to have stop losses because of large amounts of news that come in, like tariffs, war, you name it. We've seen it over the past few years, and it leads to a lot of chaos where, hey, everything is fine. You can see that everything is working out pretty well. Then all of a sudden, boom, bad news, market tanks, you get stuck in there holding a massive loss because you didn't have a safety net to protect you. And without that safety net, you can lose months of hard work that you've done in order to grow that portfolio. And finally, with question 3, does the risk to reward actually make sense? Sure, you could have a good setup, but if that setup is telling you to buy right at a level of resistance, does it make sense to buy right there when it could just flip across? Or does it make more sense just to wait for the breakout to be confirmed and you continue on with that overall momentum? Many people do not understand that these simple little questions that you ask yourself before every trade can save you thousands of dollars as a new investor. And when you guys are more sophisticated, you guys have been doing this for a while, it will save you tens of thousands up to hundreds of thousands of dollars because it forces you to be more disciplined. But it's up to you guys. It's really up to you guys to hunker down and force yourself to become more disciplined. Because if you guys are not, you guys will continue losing money time and time again. Remember, most losses aren't from bad setups. They're from setups that were never valid in the first place. Your brain wants to trick you into thinking, hey, I can go in there because you get a little dopamine rush, you feel excited, you feel like you're about to make money, then all of a sudden, boom, it goes the other way. It's almost actually as if your brain is telling you to do the opposite, because often if you listen to the opposite of your brain, you actually will make money, which nobody talks about. So here's what you guys should do. Run that checklist before every trade for 30 days. Write your answers down and take the time to study them because it's only going to take 2 minutes max for the trade. And most of you guys are going to be trading on 5-minute charts, 15-minute charts, 4-hour charts, and daily charts. You guys have plenty of time. And at the end of 30 days, your trade log will show you exactly where you went wrong, and the data is going to be telling you guys where to trade and how to protect your investments, and more importantly, how to be consistently profitable. If your checklist isn't giving you the go-ahead to go open that long or that short, don't make the trade. Even if it ends up working out and you're like, oh my gosh, I should have made that trade. Over the long term, you're going to be losing money. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe. It helps with the channel a lot. And also, if you're on mobile, like and hype up the video. It helps out so much more these days. Thank you. Hey everyone, today's sponsor is WEEX, a global crypto trading exchange where you can trade hundreds of cryptocurrencies, use futures and spot markets, and even copy expert traders all from one secure platform. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description below. Thanks.